we are back. Oh man, this is just perfect. It doesn't get any better than this. 70 degrees, slight breeze, and no sun. Well, I guess actually I do prefer the sun just because it heats up the ground, gets some heat in the tires, makes your cornering a little more entertaining. So I guess we are missing that aspect, but yeah, this used to be just like a field and like a basketball field. We're becoming like a little metropolis here. All right, let's get it. Baby, that's what I'm talking about. We're waking up Omaha the right way. This place is usually popping. There's gonna be nobody down here. It's so early. Everyone's like still hungover and all messed up from last night. I'm messed up. What am I talking about? Look at me. This is going to be an awesome park when it's done. I like that they kept the slides too. This has been there for a while. How do you guys brake, by the way? I want to know. I always use my middle finger, and that is always done right by me. Let's take a stroll through the old market. What's with this water? I'm not liking this water. I hate water. Then it makes a mess. Yeah, this part is freaking awesome, man. You just come here and you've got all the shops. You get the looks. I mean, this is seriously like, this is one of the coolest parts of Omaha right here. The Jeep's going for it. We're going next. Look at this guy. Planting flowers on the roof. See, the possibilities are endless. Basically, you are the limit for the most part. Oh man, I am dehydrated. I can tell because my freaking left hand is getting a little tired, which is not usual for me. Right. We need to get moving. It's 212 right now. It's a little warm. I don't like that. I prefer 180. But this thing does terrible in the city. It just generates so much heat. And that's why I usually shut it off. I like stoplights if I'm going to be sitting for a while. So let's hop back on the interstate here. yeah, get that fresh air moving. Not bad. Just warm up the tires a little bit. Dude, gotta quit looking into cars. Dude, that's such a habit. I'm gonna have to try and break. Because I always want to look at a car and see if there's like a chick or something. I don't know. It's just one of those things. I gotta break it. Got my rain boots on. Kind of gooning it, just got some pants and my hoodie on. Not wearing the full suit right now. Coming over. Ooh, that looks like oil. Not gonna push it. Well, yeah, we are. All kinds of dust coming off that truck. This road is bumpy as shit, man. I know the camera's gonna do its thing. It's gonna try and take care of some of that, but that was brutal. No wonder I'll never become a YouTube porn star at this rate. My videos are gonna be so bouncy. But damn, I'm gonna have to learn these roads. Don't ever take this road again, Walker. It might look good, but it's bouncy. Oh, see, I looked again. Gotta quit looking, because 90% of the time it's gonna be a dude anyway. Anytime it is a chick, they just roll the window up. I hate that. Like, dude, just give me some attention. That's all I'm looking for. A thumbs up, a smile. They used to ask, like, what's their Snap or what's your Facebook? Now it's like, what's your TikTok? Which, if you have TikTok, you can add me, jboy1199. How original, I know. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be so bummed out if this audio is just like dog water. I spent like an hour and a half trying to make sure that this was gonna be prime, baby. We'll see what happens. Oh, the Ducati's loving this. As long as you got some good airflow, it's happy. Down to 169. I'm fine with 180, but when you get to 215, 220, that's ridiculous. Those fans should be kicking on at 200, honestly. I'm not sure what their thought process was with that. But I do have to give it credit when that fan kicks on it. It pulls some serious air through that. Sleeping at the light. Set up for an extra 5 seconds. And that's why that road rage happens. Like, people will sit there. It's like if you don't just gun it from the red, from the light, as soon as it turns green, people just freak out. There's a bad bump. Yeah, it's right here, I think. Yeah. Yep, that's our little airport. Epley Airfield. I like that little airport. Which is actually not that little anymore. It's starting to get bigger and bigger. As far as parking and accommodations. Plenty of parking for days. But our lots are never filled because nobody comes here. I was talking to some chick from Spain yesterday. I was like, I'm sorry you chose to come here. If you want, we can go to Texas. I'll buy the tickets, let's go. I don't know what it is, you know, I like exotic stuff, I like exotic women, I like exotic bikes, and the women are just like the bikes, super unreliable. And high maintenance, which I am a sucker for. You can ask my friends. Is it cost effective? No. Is it high maintenance? Yes. Will it give you problems? Yes. Does it have issues? Yes. Alright, I want it. I want it so bad. I've always been that way. I don't know why. I had an STI. Oh no, sorry. I wanted an STI. A WRX. They made 330 wheel, and again, it just stuff that's known, you know, prone to failure. Gotta have it. RX-8 had it. RX-7 had it, baby. We're all about that unreliability. You know what though? This bike has been super reliable. It's had its problems though. It's, you know, valve cover leak. Had some lots of metal shavings of oil already, so Ducati went ahead and took care of that. No more smoking on startups or anything like that. Really happy about that. Motor's finally broke in. Or, you know, whatever they did, it definitely worked. Alright, coming over. Yep, it's another dude. Yeah, I hope this isn't too boring. Like I said, we're going to have to wait until a little later when everybody gets up. They said no rain today. But that is looking super suspicious. Suspiciously dark. Not liking that. That is really dark. Oh, yep. Getting some rain. Shit. That's not good. This thing has never seen a drop of rain in its life. We're heading home. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. That could have been someone like using the windshield washer fluid, but all I know is I've never been in the rain in this bike, and I don't plan on it. This thing has never seen a drop of water in its life, and that's why it looks brand new. Yeah, that is suspiciously dark, so they're gonna go home, check the weather, and see what's up with it. Oh yeah, they know what's, well, I don't know if they know what's up or not, but we're just gonna assume they do. This guy freaked out. I don't know what that was about. Not liking how dark it is. The sun was out. What happened? Things change quick around here. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, I'm not tripping. That's like something, you know, just getting like mist of rain. Not liking it. Not liking that. God, look at this road. This is rough. More water, grass guts everywhere. A squirrel. He's in no hurry. Alright, well, we're gonna make it home safely. Yeah, that's cool looking. But yeah, we definitely got some rain coming. I do not want to get caught in that. Like I said, we got lucky, dude. It was just like a little mist. Alrighty. We'll catch you guys later on.